Welcome to our exploration of the wonders of Australia. This vast and diverse continent is a treasure trove of stunning landscapes and unique attractions that beckon travelers from around the globe. From the sun-kissed beaches of the Gold Coast to the rugged outback of the Northern Territory, Australia offers an array of breathtaking sights that cater to every type of adventurer. Imagine standing before the iconic Sydney Opera House, its sails glistening against the backdrop of a vibrant harbour, or wandering through the ancient rainforests of Queensland, where the air is thick with the sounds of exotic wildlife. Australia is not just about its famous landmarks, it's also home to some of the most diverse ecosystems on the planet. The Great Barrier Reef, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a vibrant underwater paradise that attracts snorkelers and divers eager to witness its colorful coral and marine life. Meanwhile, the majestic Uluru, or Ayers Rock, stands as a sacred site for Indigenous Australians, offering a profound connection to the land and its history. For travel enthusiasts, exploring these amazing places is more than just a vacation, it's an opportunity to immerse oneself in a rich tapestry of culture, nature, and adventure. Whether you're hiking through the stunning Blue Mountains or savoring local delicacies in Melbourne's bustling food scene, Australia promises experiences that will leave lasting memories. So, buckle up as we embark on this journey to uncover the wonders that make Australia a must-visit destination. The Great Barrier Reef. The Great Barrier Reef is a natural wonder that stretches over 2,300 kilometers along the coast of Queensland, Australia, making it the world's largest coral reef system. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is not only a breathtaking spectacle of vibrant coral formations but also a complex ecosystem teeming with life. Home to thousands of marine species, including colorful fish, majestic sea turtles, and even the elusive dugong, the reef showcases the incredible diversity of underwater habitats. From shallow lagoons to deep oceanic waters, each area supports unique ecosystems that contribute to the reef's overall health and beauty. For visitors, the Great Barrier Reef offers a plethora of exciting activities that allow them to immerse themselves in this underwater paradise. Snorkeling is a popular choice, providing an accessible way to explore the shallow waters and witness the stunning coral gardens up close. For those seeking a more immersive experience, scuba diving opens up a whole new world beneath the surface, where divers can glide alongside schools of fish and encounter the reef's larger inhabitants, such as reef sharks and manta rays. The significance of the Great Barrier Reef extends beyond its natural beauty. It plays a crucial role in marine biodiversity and serves as a vital resource for local communities. As a UNESCO World Heritage Site, it is recognized for its outstanding universal value, making it essential to protect and preserve this incredible ecosystem for future generations. Exploring the Great Barrier Reef is not just an adventure, it's an opportunity to connect with nature and appreciate the delicate balance of life beneath the waves. Uluru Kata Tjuta National Park. Uluru Kata Tjuta National Park is a breathtaking destination that showcases the cultural and natural significance of two iconic landmarks: Uluru, also known as Ayers Rock, and the Olgas, or Kata Tjuta. For the indigenous Anangu people, Uluru is not just a rock formation, it is a sacred site deeply intertwined with their spiritual beliefs and cultural heritage. The stories of Jukurpa, or the Dreamtime, are woven into the very fabric of Uluru, making it a living cultural landscape that holds immense significance for the Anangu. Visitors are encouraged to respect this sacred site by learning about its cultural importance and understanding the traditions that have been passed down through generations. One of the most magical experiences at Uluru Kata Tjuta National Park is witnessing the stunning sunrises and sunsets that paint the landscape in vibrant hues. As the sun rises, Uluru transforms from a deep red to a glowing orange, creating a breathtaking spectacle that captivates all who are present. Similarly, the sunsets cast a warm glow over the Olgas, highlighting their unique domed shapes and rugged beauty. This natural phenomenon adds to the park's allure, making it a must-visit for photographers and nature lovers alike. To truly appreciate the richness of this area, visitors are encouraged to engage with the local culture. Guided tours led by Anangu guides offer insights into their traditions, stories, and connection to the land. By embracing the cultural significance of Uluru and the Olgas, visitors can foster a deeper understanding and respect for this extraordinary place, ensuring that its beauty and heritage are preserved for future generations. Sydney Opera House. The Sydney Opera House is an iconic architectural masterpiece that stands proudly on the shores of Sydney Harbour, captivating visitors with its unique design and stunning location. Designed by Danish architect Jorn Utzon, the Opera House features a series of sail-like shells that rise gracefully above the water, creating a striking silhouette against the skyline. Construction began in 1959 and took 15 years to complete, with the building becoming a symbol of innovation and creativity. Its distinctive design not only showcases architectural brilliance but also harmonizes beautifully with the surrounding natural landscape, making it one of the most photographed buildings in the world. Beyond its architectural significance, the Sydney Opera House is a vibrant cultural hub that hosts a diverse array of performances and events throughout the year. From world-class operas and ballets to contemporary concerts and theatrical productions, there is something for everyone to enjoy. The venue is home to multiple performance spaces, including the concert hall, which boasts exceptional acoustics and can seat over 2,600 guests. Additionally, the Opera House frequently hosts festivals, art exhibitions, and community events, making it a dynamic center for artistic expression. As a symbol of Australia on the global stage, the Sydney Opera House represents the country's rich cultural heritage and commitment to the arts. It attracts millions of visitors each year, drawing both locals and tourists who come to experience its beauty and the exceptional performances it offers. Whether you're attending a show or simply admiring its architectural splendor, the Sydney Opera House is a must-visit destination that embodies the spirit of Australia. Daintree Rainforest. The Daintree Rainforest is a remarkable natural wonder, recognized as one of the oldest rainforests in the world, dating back over 180 million years. Located in far north Queensland, Australia, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is a treasure trove of biodiversity, boasting an incredible array of unique flora and fauna. Home to more than 3,000 plant species, 400 species of birds, and countless insects and reptiles, the Daintree ecosystem is a living laboratory of evolution. Visitors can marvel at ancient trees, vibrant orchids, and the lush undergrowth that supports a rich tapestry of wildlife, including the elusive cassowary and the endangered tree kangaroo. Ecotourism opportunities abound in the Daintree Rainforest, making it an ideal destination for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. Guided tours led by knowledgeable local experts provide an immersive experience, allowing visitors to explore the rainforest's hidden gems while learning about its ecological significance. From walking along scenic trails to river cruises that reveal the beauty of the Daintree River, there are numerous ways to connect with this extraordinary environment. Many tours also focus on Indigenous culture, offering insights into the traditional practices and beliefs of the local Aboriginal people. Conservation efforts are crucial in preserving the Daintree Rainforest for future generations. As one of the most diverse ecosystems on the planet, it faces threats from climate change, invasive species, and habitat loss. By supporting eco-friendly tourism and participating in conservation initiatives, visitors can play a vital role in protecting this natural wonder. The Daintree Rainforest is not just a destination, it is a living testament to the importance of preserving our planet's rich biodiversity. The 12 Apostles. The 12 Apostles are a breathtaking natural wonder located along the Great Ocean Road in Victoria, Australia. These stunning limestone stacks rise majestically from the Southern Ocean, showcasing the incredible power of nature and the forces of erosion that have shaped this dramatic coastline over millions of years. Standing up to 60 meters tall, the Apostles are a striking sight against the backdrop of rugged cliffs and crashing waves, creating a picturesque landscape that captivates visitors from around the world. For optimal photography, the best viewpoints are located at the designated viewing platforms, which provide stunning panoramas of the Apostles and the surrounding coastline. Sunrise and sunset are particularly magical times to visit, as the soft light casts a warm glow on the limestone formations, enhancing their natural beauty. The changing colors of the sky and the ocean create a dynamic backdrop that is perfect for capturing unforgettable images. Additionally, the nearby Loch Ard Gorge and London Arch offer more breathtaking views and are worth exploring during your visit. The 12 Apostles hold significant importance in Australian tourism, attracting millions of visitors each year. This iconic landmark is not only a symbol of the Great Ocean Road but also a testament to Australia's natural beauty and geological history. The area is a popular stop for road trippers, nature enthusiasts, and photographers alike, making it an essential part of any Australian travel itinerary. By visiting the 12 Apostles, travelers can experience firsthand the awe-inspiring landscapes that define this remarkable region and appreciate the natural wonders that Australia has to offer. In this video, we've taken you on an incredible journey through some of the most awe-inspiring wonders of Australia. From the vibrant underwater paradise of the Great Barrier Reef to the sacred landscapes of Uluru-Kata-Tjuta National Park, each destination showcases the unique beauty and cultural significance that Australia has to offer. We've marveled at the architectural brilliance of the Sydney Opera House and explored the ancient Daintree rainforest, highlighting the rich biodiversity and ecological importance of these remarkable sites. Finally, we've gazed upon the stunning limestone stacks of the 12 Apostles, a testament to nature's artistry along the Great Ocean Road. We hope this exploration has ignited your wanderlust and inspired you to discover these incredible places for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking the video, and sharing it with fellow travel enthusiasts. Your support helps us create more engaging content that showcases the beauty of our world. Don't forget to check out more related content on our channel or website, where you can find in-depth guides, travel tips, and stunning visuals that will help you plan your next adventure. Whether you're dreaming of snorkeling in the Great Barrier Reef or hiking through the Daintree rainforest, we have plenty of resources to assist you on your journey. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to exploring more of Australia's wonders with you in future videos.